But here's the part no one tells you. Algorithms aren't neutral. They love English and they treat te reo Māori like a typo. The name algorithm actually comes from genius mathematician, the father of algebra, Muhammad al-Khwarizmi, who basically looked at Roman numerals 1,000 years ago and said, absolutely not. He pretty much invented numbers, and now his name sits behind the rules deciding what you see on TikTok and Insta. So with te whānau, Donald Trump can scream about his big, beautiful algorithm as much as he likes, but he probably doesn't realize it was created in Baghdad by a guy called Muhammad. Algorithms exist because millions of posts go up every second and no human can sort through their chaos. So platforms built digital couriers that only deliver the things they think you'll open. If your content is deemed less relevant, it stays in the van. But some stuff doesn't even leave the warehouse. And here's the part that hurts. Algorithms reward whatever the world engages with most. That's English. Always English. So te reo Māori gets pushed down. Not because it's boring, not because people don't care, but because the system wasn't built for Indigenous languages. Reo Māori gets miscaptioned, flagged, mistranslated, buried in the search. Less speakers means less engagement, which equals less value in the eyes of the machine. This is structural, and it's happening to every Indigenous language on the planet. A language can be alive in its people, but still invisible online. And that's the problem. If the algorithm goes down reo, we haunt it with more te reo Māori. Reo Māori doesn't just deserve to thrive on this land, it deserves to go viral on this land. So we make our reo impossible to ignore. Kia kaha te reo Māori.